I just saw a clip now from Kurt Phillips.
How come they all disappear then? You know? Because now, I mean, you hype the whole of whoever up to see your progress, to know what you doing, what thing. And the minute you are met with a failure, you just quiet, you disappear, and no one must know your story, what happened to you.
It's interesting because I had this conversation with Gavin. He phrased it beautifully. He said that, you know, having a goal is the wrong objective. It's a mistake. What you should do is you should buy into a journey, not a goal. And so when you are met with challenges, then you aren't upset because, you know, running the marathon or doing a certain time in a race like won't phase you, because you bought into a journey rather than into a one phase goal. And also the downside of goals is when you achieve it, what do you do next? Because now you achieve it, you might have set that goal too low, and so you feel despondent. And so, Kurt, you know, that's really what I think is happening. A lot of people are setting the wrong goal, you know, or they have the wrong mindset to set goals rather than to buy into a journey, which I follow your content quite a bit, and I love the fact that this is just your life. It's just a life that you're living, you know. You happen to run a lot and you enjoy it, and so that's just what you're sharing. You're just sharing moments of your life, and you do amazing things. I watched you on the UCTC, I can't remember the name of it, and doing that 100 miler. I mean, that is amazing. That is amazing part of the journey in your life. And that's what I think is happening, is people have the wrong mindset, that they are looking at things as once-off goals rather than looking at as this is just part of your life, and in life you are on a journey. So I hope that's, if you're looking for your mentor, I'm maybe your mentor, but maybe not. And that's really the perspective that Gavin shared with me, and it just sat with me. I was like, you know, maybe that's why I connected with Gavin so well, because of that mindset. I didn't have the words to explain it. That this wasn't just a thing. I didn't want to just run a marathon. I didn't want to just take on a trail. I didn't want to take on a challenge. That this was a new life that I've chosen, and I'm all in for it. All right. Happy festive season, you and your family. I hope you're having a wonderful time, enjoying every moment of it.